So the first thing for anybody in order to start AlgoKit is there are certain pieces of softwares which are supposed to be installed on the machine, right? And the first and foremost is Docker Desktop. So Mudassir, if you can just keep on that sharing that document as a sharing screen so that everybody can take a look at the document I shared with you
Yeah,
for
sure.
installation. Yeah, yeah. So just keep that on the screen so everybody can follow. So first of all, you need to install Docker Desktop, right? So meanwhile, Mudassir brings that up. Let me showcase. Just give me a moment. Yeah. So let me know once my screen is visible, guys. So what we are going to do or we are going to download is this
Yeah,
one,
it's visible.
Docker Desktop. So the first of all, just open this website, Docker Desktop, this one. And from here, you will be able to see that which Docker desktop you want to download. Since I'm operating from Mac, Apple chip, it is automatically detected for me. If you are operating from Windows, then download this one. And if you are operating from Linux, then download this one, right? So let us know once you start to download, because this is mandatory for to set up this particular thing. And ultimately, when the Docker is running or the Docker desktop is running, something like this will be visible to you, right? So please, when let us know that you have started downloading all this thing. You can type in the chat window, guys. It is for you that we are setting up these sessions and all. So please be interactive. Don't be shy. Okay. Started downloading. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So one guy has started to download. Anyone else? Guys, we need confirmations from whoever is starting this download, because today's session is all about installing AlgoKit and making the laptop ready so that you can start development. So we can help you if there are any problems. Yeah, Satish, I know you have already installed, but there are other 20 people at least, or if I minus you on 19 people, so only one guy started to download. Guys, please. We are investing. I'm investing after a long working week. I'm investing my Saturday's time so that you guys can learn something. So please be interactive and let us know whether you have started downloading or not. Okay, completed. So Raghavendra, installation complete or just download complete? I will download it later because right now my MacBook is not available. Okay. So once you download for all the Windows users, Mudassir, if you can share that WSL link from my document, all the Windows users will be asked to install the Windows subsystem for Linux, and you need to install a particular file, right? So let me see if I can find that out. Yeah,
Share the doc. Is it visible?
sure, sure. It is visible. So you can see that the just copy the second one, no? C point second link. Just copy in the chat. Yeah. So download this one. Yes. So everyone download this one after installing WSL already installed Ubuntu, then your Docker desktop should be fine. If the Docker desktop is looking the way my screen was looking, then it is fine. Otherwise, if it is not, then WSL is fine. But whether Docker accepted that and it is giving you the Docker desktop containers screen, then you are fine. No need to install this one. So for Muhtashim Nawaz, don't install that if you have already working Ubuntu 22.04. For anyone else who are, you might have an error and saying that the WSL needs to be installed, then install this file first. Guys, let me know once your Docker desktop is ready so we can take the next step of installing the Python, the latest version of Python. When I created it was 3.11, but you can download the latest one. Okay, good. Pranav says install Docker desktops. Okay, Pranav, do you see the screen something like the Docker desktop where containers are running, or do you see an error for WSL? Okay, it will take some time, and whoever installs Docker desktop, it will restart the machine also. So temporarily you will be disconnected from the meeting and you have to join again. Guys, at least let me know in the chat how many of you are have completed the Docker desktop installation successfully with WSL. So Pranav, you are after the installation of Docker desktop, you need to restart the machine. So restart and you will you can rejoin the meeting. We are here waiting for you. Yes, Satish, I know this is an old document. So 3.11 is not going, we are not going to install that. So don't worry. We are going to install the newer one only. Yes, Pranav, WSL is required. Otherwise, it is not going to, the Docker desktop is not going to work. It will raise an error. Once you start that, it will tell you that install WSL too. That's why the link is already shared with you. Yeah, Docker icon visible. So, Mohtasim, can you start the Docker desktop? You need to see that container kind of screen where there is a blank screen where you will be able to see that containers can run over here or running containers will be displayed over here, something like that. But a blank screen. If that happens, that means your Docker engine is running locally. Yeah, no need to sign up. Just at the bottom, there is a thing called move ahead without signing up. So select that. If anyone else wants to share their screen that so that everybody can see, then please go ahead. Like Pranav, who is Mohtashim. Yeah, that's good, Sachin. That means your machine is properly installed about everything. Yeah, something like this will be visible to you guys as Mudassir is showcasing. So everybody who is installing, it's done. The Docker part. Yeah. So this has to be visible. Good. Anyone else is getting the screen? Sachin, Mohtasim, both have. Pranav, what about you? Yes, Pranav. Go ahead and install. From the link is already given. Mudassir, allow me from the second machine also. Sanjay says whether I want to give user recommended settings, nothing else. So set up everyone, Docker desktop, whoever is trying to install. Guys, come on, respond. Okay, so whoever has installed this Docker desktop, now the second piece is installing Python. So Mudassir, if you can open the Windows Store. I hope you are on Windows. Or I can also do that. I've started my Windows machine too. Mudassir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So can you start the, or I can share the screen also.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Windows Store. Yeah, and search Python over there in the box. Yeah, enter. So here you will be able to see all the Python versions. So you have to select the Python 3.12, which is showcasing right now in the on the screen. Python 3.12 that you need to install. So for because Mudassir has already installed, for him it is showing that installed, but for you it will like download and install. So just install 3.12. And then after installation, open the terminal, Mudassir. CMD or terminal or anything. Not from there. Yeah. And just type Python, enter. Yeah, version also is fine. Yeah. So here you can see that after typing Python, you can see 3.12.2. Right? So that's version, that is a current version which is installed in Mudassir's machine. So you have to also make sure that you install more than 3.12 or whatever the current version is. And the 3.12 is basically your Python version from Windows Store. If you don't find the Windows Store, just go ahead, open the terminal or command prompt, type down Python. And since if it is not installed, it will directly open the Windows Store and from there you can download. Guys, let us know that whatever progress you are making so that we can have an idea. Okay, Pranav, can you share your screen? Okay, Sachin, good job that you have downloaded 3.12. Pranav, if you can share your screen, I can tell you exactly what is wrong. Yeah, so can you go on that menu left side, that icon, that settings menu? Control K, there is right, and yeah, click on that settings part. Yeah, click on that, and over there, open start. What happened?
It's loading, sir.
Yeah, but why suddenly the engine started?
Also, for now, have you restarted your system after installing Docker?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think because he disconnected and joined again, so he restarted the thing. Engine is running. So go to close the settings. Pranav, the engine started for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else facing any kind of problem? Please go ahead, share your screen so I can help you in sorting out the problem. I hope everybody is reached at this level. Python after installing Docker desktop and Python 3.12 also is done. Mudassir, the document, please. this is being displayed. So whose screen is this? Yeah, that's fine, Mohtassim, because you are getting that thing after Python. That's fine because you are opened that. So just press Control C or Control Z, and you will be out of that. Virtual machine platform not enabled. Sanjay, can you share your screen? I think for you, Hyper-V is not enabled. Sanjay, if it is possible for you to share your screen, please go ahead.
Sir, can you see that?
Sanjay, you started your video,
Sir, I'm connected in cell phone, sir. So,
but I am not. Let me see if I can. Can anybody read the message? What is displayed over there? Docker desktop. Underlying
vi-
what is written?
virtual machine platform not enabled.
Virtual machine platform not enabled. And what is this button showing? These two buttons.
Sir, gather diagnostics.
And below that,
Quit, sir.
virtual. Okay, install WSL.
No, sir, I'm not installed, sir.
Then your Hyper-V or something is not enabled from the settings because I need to see those messages before that. So can you copy those messages in the chat?
So, what, sir?
The messages underlying the red error, just copy those messages over there. Pranav, can you share your screen? Because Sanjay is not able to. Sanjay is like from the phone, I guess he's trying to share the screen. Pranav, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, now I got it right, sir. But previously I got that, sir. I didn't install WSL, sir. I think so. He also didn't install it.
So there are two ways, like virtualization in the BIOS also sometimes needs to be enabled for Docker desktop to run, but it is not mandatory. For somebody, it also works without enabling that. So Sanjay, please try to install WSL again. Let me give you the link if you have missed that. So this is the link. Download WSL and install. Probably that will solve your problem. Okay, Mudassir, back to our Word file. Who is struggling, please wait. Meanwhile, we finish the installation and we'll get back to you. Okay, then we have to install the pipex. So you can see the number E, and below that there is a command python 3 -m pip install -- user pipex. So Mudassir, if you just copy that command, first command in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the first command you have to install. First thing, pipex is a package manager kind of thing. So you have to install that. And second one is mandatory after installing pipex, just ensure path command. Mudassir, can you please copy that too? Python showing keyboard interrupt using, yeah, that's fine, Mohtassim. That's okay. That is bound to happen because you have entered the Python shell, so it is expecting Python syntax, not the Windows syntax. That's why. So guys, you need to install, after installing pipex, you need to do this command python 3 -m pipex ensure path. If you don't do this, your pipex will not be acceptable globally. And after you do this, terminate the prompt and restart, or maybe start again or restart the prompt. It is already written in the bottom that restart the terminal when you do that. So guys, let us know once you finish the PPAX installation using ensure path. One last thing is remaining, that is Git for Windows. So there are two links over there. So Mudassir, if you can just open one of the links. Very good, Sachin. PPAX installation done. Good. So guys, okay, it is open. Yeah, we need that Git for Windows, so second one. If you can open that, because that is a proper version, Git for Windows. This sometimes, yeah, this also is fine. Just download, install. If this doesn't work, then the second link you have to do, Git for Windows. That will make sure that you access all the GitHub commands from the prompt also. So the second one is Git for Windows. Just write down Git for Windows. It will be there in the search bar. Write down Git for Windows. Yeah, this one. So this is, if that doesn't work, you have to install this one. Yes. No. Just open and close that terminal, Mohtashim, and start again. Yeah. That is just close that terminal and open again. Period. And then we are good to go. But keep it open because for AlgoKit installation, that will be required as the last step. So download, first of all, that if that doesn't work, mostly this works for me. So I will recommend that download this one. So that will sort any kind of GitHub problems if you are facing. And open the terminal and write down, check whether the Git is installed or not. After installing, and just select whatever is selected for you. Don't worry about what to select and what not to select. Just all the selections which are already there, just keep on clicking next, and Git will be installed, because it will ask for too many options. Yeah, Mudassir, share the link for here, the git for windows.org in the chat. I can do that. Wait. Git for Windows. Yeah, this one. This is the link, git for windows.org, the one which is displayed right now in the screen. So Mohtashim, please install from here. And then once you are able to install, open the terminal and type GitHub or Git version. I'm not sure what works. Just give me a moment. I'll tell you. Git. Yeah, Git hyphen version. After installing GitHub, open a new terminal or CMD prompt and type git hyphen version. It will give you something. So think that it is installed. Guys, let me know where have you reached, because difficult for me to get the update without you even typing in the window, in the chat, I mean. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, good. Now close this. But you have started the thing. You have to do this from command prompt. Okay. The last step now to install the AlgoKit. So Mudassir, can you just open the document? Yeah,
Hotashim,
that's fine,
please
Mudassir.
stop sharing your
Yeah,
screen.
Mudassir, Muhtashim, that is all right. Yeah, so the last command you are supposed to do is ppax install AlgoKit. This is what you are supposed to install, the last command, so that your last step of installing AlgoKit will be over. Let us know, guys, once you are finished or once you reach to this level. Only couple of people are speaking, so please, guys, be a little bit interactive so that we get an idea how many people manage to download and install. Very good, Sachin. Git for Windows installation done. So now finally that ppax install, the command is already displayed on the screen as well as in the chat window. Ppax install AlgoGit. Did anybody manage to install AlgoGit without any error? The last part also sometimes generate errors. So once you do that, again you can do the same thing. Very good, Mohtashim. So can you tell me once you do that AlgoKit hyphen version, what do you get? Something like this, AlgoKit hyphen version. What do you get once you do this? Nice. Nice. Good job, Mohtashim, that you managed to install AlgoKit. Anyone else? Some other guy, Pranav, I guess. Pranav, Sachin, and rest of the people, excluding Mudassir and Satish. Guys, let us know what is the status. Yes, please. Thank you, Mudassir, for the new poll. PPEX from Windows Store. Pranav, I guess you are you are the one, right, to share from the phone, because I need the screen to be visible to me so that I can help you.
It was Sachin.
It was Sachin. Okay, so Pranav, if you can share your screen, because this should not give you that kind of error. Install PPEX and then open in Windows Store. PPEX is not. Pranav, if you can share your screen, I can take a look what is happening. Yeah, this is the Windows Store, no? So open terminal now. Close this Microsoft Store. This is fine. Close this.
He's downloading that Python version 3.12.
Yes, Satish, but once you install from Windows Store, it is directly adapted. You don't need to set up the path if you have installed from Windows Store. Yes, now write Python. No, just write Python first. Yeah, enter. Yeah, so it is not installed, it is installing. So in the no, wait. That is a separate story. That's a separate story. This is not being installed. So close this. Yeah, wait for the installation is over from this side. It is only 10.29. So wait till the installation is over here. Because that basically you have not installed globally. So that's why it is asking for the newer one. So now let this installation is over and then it will work for you, PPEX. So Windows 11, please don't install Python directly. Install from Windows Store only, which will remove a lot of errors for you. Pranav, you can stop sharing. Anyone else? Mudassir, did anybody respond to the poll? Installation one? Yes, guys. Anyone else managed to install AlgoKit, or only the only gold medalist for today is Mohtashim Nawaz? Very nice, Sachin. Good. So can you print after you type this command? Can you showcase me what do you get? Just open a command prompt and do this one, AlgoKit hyphen version, and tell me what is the current AlgoKit version for you. There are some girls also. So no girl tried to install. Very good, Mrudula. Nice. So guys, once you have installed everything, something like this will be presented to you. Now this is my terminal. I'm operating from a different machine. So over there, once you write Python, you will be displayed like this. Press Control C or Control Z, and you will be out of that particular path. Then you have AlgoKit hyphen version, and because this is, I guess, 2.01 or something. Yeah, 2.00, because I have installed when it actually started. So 2.00, I can upgrade that also, right, to 2.03, which is the current version. So everybody who managed to start or managed to install, you can do this one, AlgoKit local net start. So just type down this command, AlgoKit local net start, and let me know what happens with you. So something like this should be displayed in your machine also. And 3 or 4 healthy commands at the last. Postgres, AlgoD, conduit, and indexer. Sometimes indexer takes time. So how can you see that? If you start Docker desktop, over here you will see that 3 things are running and 4. These 4 items are running for me. If you can see that. Indexer, conduit, AlgoD, and sandbox. So something like this. After you start AlgoKit local net start, and then you can write down AlgoKit explore as it is written at the bottom. Once you do that, it will automatically start your browser, and which will point towards your app.deflow.org, where your node, your computer, because it is running on a sandbox, you can see that it is already connected to the sandbox environment over here. So we have to make sure that we reach to this level today, right? So this one, and then finally this particular screen. So Sachin, Mrudula, Pranav, Mohtashim, please follow this one and let me know once if you are able to. Okay, Pranav says already a Git version. Nothing. If you have installed, don't worry about that. If you are running, if you are getting this one Git hyphen version from the prompt, command prompt, then it's okay. Just continue the installation. Because we need that Git SDK to be operated from command prompt. That's why sometimes we need that Git for Windows. Very good, Mohtashim. Nice. Anyone else? Mrudula, did you get this one? Sachin? Next step after that, Git. So you have installed pipex. If that is the last thing, then you have to install pipex, install AlgoKit. This is the last command. Rudula, good. Then Sachin also nice. So after apart from all these three, four people, anyone else has tried? Or you will try in your free time? Nice, Sachin. Good. Yes, we have today gold, silver, and bronze. All the three medals. I don't know, no, four people are have done. So we can have two gold or four golds. Hey guys, anyone else tried? Please let us know. It displays PPEX is not recognized. So you have did you fire that ensure path command? Pranav, in the chat, all the commands are written. So find out the command saying uh, ensure path. Run that command and then restart the terminal. Then only it will work. So utilize this command. Give me a moment. This one, and then restart the terminal so that PPEX will run. Good. Nice, Mrudula. Thanks for the update. Anyone else managed to install? Pranav, it seems you have a Python problem because you have have you installed the Python from Windows Store? And does it work when you type down Python? Does it work? Or does it still open that Windows Store? Yeah, but installed also and just downloaded. Can you share your screen? Yeah, now press Control Z and enter. Yeah, now that just have Python 3 you have installed successfully added, but you have not restarted the terminal. So I asked you to do that. So close this terminal and start again. Yeah, now open the terminal one more time. No, don't use which is already opened. Start a new one. Yeah. And now write down that ppex install AlgoGit. It's ppex install AlgoGit. It's very simple. Yeah. Enter. See. Follow the things, Pranav. I already literally told 10 times to restart the terminal. Okay, now for you also it will work. But let us keep it running. Meanwhile, if anyone else answers, anyone else, guys? Sonalika, Shubha, certain names are difficult for me to pronounce. So whatever I can pronounce, I'll pronounce. Manideep, Pranakya. Come on, guys. This is for you only. Aman, Dhanushri, Dinesh, Malia, Pambala or Pambala. Sorry for if I pronounced your name wrong. Neha, Tirumalesh, Prithika. Come on, guys. Nobody has installed. So, Mudassir, in the poll also, how many answered about installation of AlgoGit? We know 5 people managed to install.
Guys, please vote on the poll I created. Just 2 votes I can see now.
Yeah, at least who has installed, please vote. Nice, Pranav. Good. Now start that AlgoKit localnet. Start. This one, AlgoKit localnet start. Fire this command in the prompt. And your localnet, your Docker desktop and everything, you will be able to see the containers and everything. And then at last, use this one, AlgoKit explore. Okay. Okay, anyone else? I guess somebody raised hand or something. Who did that? Please go ahead with your question. If you want to speak, it's okay. If you want to type, that is also all right.
So guys, I hope you have installed and able to start your dApp. Sorry, that
App.devflow.
dApp flow using that AlgoKit Explore. So we'll wait for next couple of minutes, 5-6 minutes. If you have any questions, any doubt, any errors, you can let us know and share your screen maybe. And tomorrow we'll start building on AlgoKit.
Yes. Tomorrow, what is the time, Mudassir?
Same time, 4 to
Okay.
sorry, it's 5 p.m. to
Yeah, 5 to 6.
Mutashim, you have able to start.
Yes, yes, he was able to start everything.
Okay.
In
Nice.
5 people, I can say that 5 people have managed to start everything, whatever we did today.
Awesome. We got 5 Algo dev.
Yes.
Guys, please be active because we have a lot of queries in our ecosystem partners. Basically, they are hiring for interns and full-time devs. So that's why we are trying to do all these sessions so that you are able to build on Algorand, and there are a lot of opportunity. Recently, I can say like 4 or 5 companies reached out to us regarding they are hiring for interns, Algorand interns. So yeah, that's why please make sure you have start working on Algorand, and that's why we are doing all these sessions for you.